By the way, if you're wondering, I do not have any chicas because my grandma likes them and just give them to her sometimes. What a lovely day. Well, I'm kind of lonely around here. I don't know. Ever since Five Nights at Freddy's pizzeria closed down, it's been a huge mess. First I was Nightmare, then Withered, then Phantom, then Twisted, then here, Five Nights at Freddy's pizzeria place. I think I should go adventure somewhere. Oh, I know. I'll go adventure to Security Breach. Wait, is it Security Breach? I think it is. Whoa, hey, it's the stage. Yeah, let's go. Way to go, superstar. I always hear. Come on, kid. Come on, kid. She kind of looks like me. She looks related to me. Should I turn her on? Jesus, that scared the whiz out of me. Well, what do I do now? Hey. 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 You look kind of related to me. What's your name? Roxanne Wolf. You all related to me. Who are you? Foxy. Oh, the Pirate Fox. Foxy the Pirate Fox. Cousin? Cousin. Yeah. So what you been doing all this time? Doing nothing. Or you've been doing something. Well, I've been trying to get a pizzeria place. It's the first one ever. You might recognize it. Five Nights at Freddy's first. Yeah, I remember that place. I went there all the time when I was a child. Really? Well, Roxy? Yeah. Are we cousins? Aren't we like two? To be continued.